You're kidding me, it took out everything? What are the replacement costs gonna be? That's a lot of money. Well, the good news is we got some products in that will prevent this from happening again. Yeah, they're PoE IP surge protectors. I'm going to send you some information as soon as I get off the phone. I tell you, I've received too many calls like that over the years. Johnny installed an IP camera for a customer a couple years back. It was a $99 IP camera. Over the weekend, the camera got struck by lightning. Well, now the camera's dead. No big deal, $99. The problem is, that lightning strike took out everything in his customer server rack, and that ended up costing over $10,000. So the question is, what can you do to prevent something like that? Well, let me show you. To protect your valuable equipment, you just need to make a small investment in one of these devices. These are surge protectors that work with IP cameras and PoE switches and PoE NVRs. These are all UL-listed, high-grade surge protectors. Let's dive in and take a look at each one. First up is the Cytel MJ8-PoE-A. It is indoor use only, can be used for one camera, and it is gigabit rated. It can also be DIN rail mounted. Next is the CG MJ8-PoEA-C5E. This is also for just one camera, but it is outdoor rated due to its full weatherproof enclosure. It is gigabit rated. These are great for your outdoor single cameras and can also be used for your solar camera setups that have PoE switches or PoE injectors in them. Lastly is the Rack16-PoE-A. This is a rack-mounted surge protector for up to 16 cameras. It is full gigabit rated. If you have any questions about these surge protectors, don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.